something down. Be my first deer of the season. Three deer just walked right there. Sorry, I got the hunting jitters. And it walked right there. I got it perfectly on video. I just dropped this doe. Look at it right there. So I'm gonna call my dad, tell him to come pick me up. I'm gonna give it a few minutes. Dropped her right there. Dad's on the way to come pick me up. Laying right in this blind. Shot it with the old 243. Let's go. I saved the 243 round and shot it with. Dad came to pick me up. Gonna load up the deer. There's a little bit of blood. And it ran just right there, over there behind the truck. You see me good?
Hmm?
Dropped this little doe. Shot it right where you need to hit it. It's a pretty healthy one. We're gonna get it processed. We're gonna cook it up for y'all. My first ever deer by myself. It's a great feeling. You want me to do it? Ooh. God, it's heavy. It's 1, 2, 3. Load the deer up. I'm gonna take it to the processor. We just dropped the deer off of the processor. When we get it back, I'll cook it for y'all. It's gonna be good. Duck hunting right now, but shout out to my youth minister, Zach. He killed this big buck the other day, and he told me I could put in one of my videos because he's wearing one of my hats that he bought. So congratulations to him. We got our dinner meat tonight. We got sausage first, pepper jack jalapeno. Cooking some right now. And we got some more for later.
So good.
First, I'm gonna try it by itself, then I'm gonna try it on a barbecue sauce and cracker. All right, we need to kill another deer. All right. Now I got it on a cracker with a little bit of barbecue.